Hi, welcome to this training video, an introduction to RX Mobility. My name is Desmond Byrne, and for the next 6 minutes, I'll introduce you to RX Mobility. In this video, we explore the reasons for RX Mobility and go through some of its main features and benefits. Firstly, let's look at some of the reasons behind RX Mobility. Non-adherence to prescription drugs is primarily a function of human behavior, forgetting to do something, procrastinating, or bad habits. Cost or clinical concerns can cause non-adherence, but less than you would imagine. In fact, studies show that 69% of the reasons behind a failure to comply with medication results from human behavior. Missed doses, late renewals, and late refills. Whereas clinical concerns and high costs are behind 31% of non-compliance cases. That compares to 69% for behavioral issues. You already know this to be a problem, which is why you may already have some tools to help you, such as an IVR, web forms, and maybe even an app. But unless you have an outbound process to remind patients about their medications, you will have to wait around for patients to come to you. You are not in control and are losing refills and revenue as a result. RX Mobility is a platform which allows you to communicate directly with patients using a dedicated pharmacy-branded app and a refill management portal. You can send reminders, push messages, and simply refill orders. Your app allows patients to send prescription orders and refills. Plus, it enables you to communicate reminders, updates, and marketing messages directly to your patients. We don't throttle usage, so an unlimited number of patients can download and use your app. And you can send messages to each patient as often as you need to. A neat feature of the app is that a caregiver, such as a parent or a hospice nurse, can manage multiple patients from a single phone. Your app can be downloaded for free using your pharmacy's brand name from Google Play and the Apple App Store. With the Refill Management Portal, you get to manage private patient communications, retrieve orders, and manage refills. Let's say you have a patient called Linda. Linda is on a 28-day refill cycle. Every 28 days, Linda will automatically receive a push message reminder to refill her prescription from RX Mobility. Simultaneously, you will receive a report on the Refill Management Portal on whether Linda has acted on the reminder or ignored it. If Linda acts on the reminder, then you will receive an order into the Refill Management Portal. Or if Linda has ignored the reminder, you can then act on this information by escalating it through additional push messages. RX Mobility can be used to implement standard operating procedures or workflows to communicate with Linda on a systematic basis so that she refills on time every time. For example, let's say Linda has ignored the automatic refill reminder. You can implement a workflow that sends a manual message to Linda advising her that the refill is now overdue. Additional push messages can be created with content and time intervals of your choosing, enabling multiple workflows to be created to suit your business and your patients. Every Monday morning, we send you a report detailing the efficiency of your refill process. The report includes metrics such as how many refill requests, how many new prescription orders, how many users, how many reminders, and how many patients have downloaded the app in the previous week. RX Mobility also contains a push messaging broadcast module. This feature allows you to send out blast messages to all patients who have not opted out of marketing messages. Messages can be for marketing, events, training, advertising, and promotional purposes. Thank you for your time. This concludes the video, an introduction to RX Mobility. Please look at our other training resources to get more detail on RX Mobility.